Today, we are going to discuss the two explainer video animation styles that have become very popular in marketing today. Let's consider cartoon animation versus whiteboard videos to find out which one suits best your business goals. When is cartoon animation a better option? 1. If you need to make your video super short, 1-minute video. Cartoon animation allows you to keep a video shorter and get directly to the essence of a concept. While in whiteboard videos, it is a challenging task since this type of animation usually requires a few more seconds to display the drawing hand. That is a common feature of whiteboard animation. On the contrary, cartoon animation doesn't require you to spend time on displaying the illustration drawing process, and it helps you save a significant amount of time. 2. If you need to emphasize your brand colors and brand identity design in the video. Sometimes, the design of products or services includes primary brand colors. In this case, it is essential to emphasize this distinctive peculiarity in the video, and whiteboard animation is not a good option. Why? Just because it is white and black. It doesn't allow you to highlight a brand identity as brightly as you might want it, although it performs plenty of other amazing functions. If color plays a huge role in the product's marketing and design, it is recommended to use cartoon animation. 3. If you want to make a video genuinely fun. Since childhood, lovely cartoons have made us laugh and have fun. To entertain people is the initial function of cartoon animation. You might say that whiteboard videos can also be fun. Let's say, they can be enjoyable and humorous. However, it's difficult to reveal all the power of fun using whiteboard animation solely. The cartoony style allows you to catch and emphasize humor by using a fun beat and rhythm of cartoon animation. While in whiteboard animation, these peculiarities are not available. When is whiteboard animation a better option? 1. If you need to convey a complicated idea in a simple form. Hopefully, you will understand us correctly. Of course, cartoon animation can transfer complex information too. However, it needs the help of motion graphics and other additional techniques. If you choose whiteboard animation, you will incline the audience directly to the explanation. Watching a whiteboard video, you can feel yourself in front of a blackboard in a classroom. You are merely listening to what a teacher tries to explain to you in the easiest way. 2. If you want to add written words. You can use a sound and voiceover to explain ideas that are depicted in the video. However, written phrases and keywords in the background can emphasize a concept even more. In whiteboard videos, it is much easier to add a name of service or a factoid nearside the main illustration than in cartoon animation. The ability to add written words is, actually, one of the explanatory powers of the whiteboard animation. 3. If you need to make a video a bit longer, more than 90 seconds. We always try to make explainer videos as short as possible to keep the viewer engaged. However, sometimes you should produce an explainer animated video that is longer than in common, and you have no other option. If you have faced a similar situation, we advise using whiteboard animation. As mentioned above, this technique is oriented more at the education and explanation aspects, rather than entertaining. While cartoon animations are always more about fun. That is why whiteboard videos are more likely to take a viewer right to the point within the first seconds. Conclusion. Cartoon animation versus whiteboard videos, now you know all the truth about both of them. Hopefully, this short guide will help you choose the right animation style for your business.